back to the channel, Weetzer's Whiskey and Watches. Man, I got a good one today. Hey, welcome to the first day of fall, right? So what happens the first day of fall around here? Pumpkin spice. Oh God, it's everywhere. But I fell down that rabbit hole, as a matter of fact, because it's the whiskey we got today. And we're gonna make a pumpkin spice old fashioned. I can't help it. So I just made my own pumpkin spice simple syrup. So here's a link to the video somewhere in here. I'll put it up there. So you guys need to watch that too. That's a good one. Now you can simply go to the store and get your own pumpkin spice syrup or simple syrup. You might have to reduce this down a little bit, but probably not. Probably the same, but I don't think so. This is homemade stuff, and you'll see in the video, but this is probably just as good, so we'll see. But today we're gonna do the Rabbit Hill whiskey. I had to, or bourbon. I got to tour this plant or this distillery in Louisville. I'll show some snippets of it right there. Unbelievable, unbelievable. This is a new bourbon to the crowd. So, and they've achieved some greatness already in an early stage. So way to go, Rabbit Hole. Obviously the pumpkin spice, homemade pumpkin spice simple syrup. We're gonna garnish it with an orange peel. And then I have a listener or a subscriber, friend, fellow cigar smoker, that I got some unbelievable homemade fermented, I guess you could say, cherries. And the name of these are Paul's Drunken Cherries. So these things are fantastic. I got to try one or two of those. And then our bitters today, I'm gonna try something a little different. I brought the dropper because it doesn't have it. But this is Route 23 Cranberry Apple Spice. So this might be some pretty good stuff that we're using all around here. So let's, basically we got Thanksgiving in the air. And I brought out, obviously it's fall. So I brought out one of my chainsaw carved pumpkins. I got a glass, you know, from my son that they gave me. And then today's watch, whoa, now I'm making a mess. Today's watch, obviously, with the theme of orange and a theme of pumpkins, is a Seiko Land Monster. So we're gonna review this bad boy. One of my favorites. I've had it for a long time. They don't make them anymore. But let's, yeah, and it even says there's time for a pumpkin old fashioned, a pumpkin spice old fashioned. So, all right, let's get this recipe started. Okay, first things first, we got to put ice in here. So let's get our mixer full of some ice. This is probably sitting here a little while. This will be our dilution and our chill. All right, for the rabbit hole, I'm telling you guys, this is the rabbit hole. You need to go down. This stuff is unbelievable. We are going to do 2 ounces. There's an ounce and a half. And then another ½ ounce. 2 ounces of the Rabbit Hole bourbon. Next, we are going to do, let's do 1/2 ounce of our pumpkin spice, homemade pumpkin spice simple syrup. Look at that. Wow, that stuff's thick. Oh, that's awesome. That's gonna, oh, I wish you guys could smell this, man. Yeah. For our little, we're gonna do a dropper of, let's do half a dropper. Now we'll do 1 full drop. We'll get 3/4 of a dropper in there of our bitters. You know what? Let's do a little bit more. It's Thanksgiving. Let's do two half droppers. That'll work. Okay, let's stir. Perfection. Get your favorite glass. There's your little skewer for your cherries. Get your favorite ice cube. Drop that bad boy in there. Strainer. Drain this thing into your favorite glass. Oh my goodness, I wish you could smell this. Oh, perfect pour. Now, it's going to be pretty cloudy because the spices in this pumpkin pie spice are pretty incredible. Now, let's get a cherry, Paul's Drunken Cherry from Mr. Andy. I sure do appreciate this. This thing's got bay leaf in it. It's been soaked in probably a couple of different alcohols. It is so incredible. Let's just take one. And as a matter of fact, I can't handle just one. We are gonna do two. That's gonna go right in there. That's gonna be like Thanksgiving in a glass. Oh my goodness, there's all that. Now let's do it the right way and finish this off with a orange peel. I can already feel the oils coming out of that one. We are going to spritz that with the oils. We are going to put this around the glass. And then we are also going to garnish that in there. And there you have it. The pumpkin spice old fashioned. Oh, welcome to autumn. All right, here it is. First day of autumn. Pumpkin spice old fashioned. Cheers, everybody. Oh, the smell. It's like Thanksgiving in a glass. Oh my goodness. Everything just blended together so perfectly. That apple spice bitters, oh my goodness. The orange, the Cave Hill rabbit hole. I mean, this is, and the make it your, guys, this is the way to go. I'm almost speechless. The spice, the simple syrups, make your own. It's so worth it. What's cool is I can also use this in like, a chai tea latte. You could do a pumpkin spice chai tea latte. You could probably put this in coffee. You could do whatever you wanted with it, but oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. All of those flavors. Oh, you can taste the depth. There's spice, there's the pumpkin. It tastes like sweet apple pie. It tastes like pumpkin pie. It tastes like, it's all there. It's everything is just perfect. The cherries, it's aromatic. The oils from the orange peel. I mean, this is my favorite. I'm sold. I am so sold on pumpkin spice right now. This is unbelievable. I'm gonna be having a few of these this winter, or this fall, I guess. All through the winter too. Oh man. Well, yeah, before we forget all of this, I was so intrigued by the taste of this drink. Let's review this watch. This is a Seiko Land Monster. So probably one of my favorites, discontinued. They're getting harder and harder to find. They're up there in price now. You could probably get these around $1,000. So when you get them in a good shape, man, jump on them. There's a ton of other colors, but since this is orange like a pumpkin, I couldn't think of a better watch to review. So let's get to reviewing. All right, so here's your specs for the Seiko Land Monster. The model number is an SNM037. It's also a Seiko Orange Monster Compass is the style. Let's go. The movement is a Seiko caliber 7S35 21 jewel automatic. Functions on this are a date calendar and with a window display. The case is a solid AISI 316L stainless steel, combination satin and polished finish. The bezel, it's a unidirectional rotating ratcheting 0 to 60 elapsed time. It's got black PVD P deposition coating, an inner rotating compass ring at 360 degrees operation, and the crown at the 4 o'clock position. It's a screw down crown, threaded, so it's got also 200 meters of water resistant. The crystal is mineral glass domed profile. The dial is obviously orange color. Luminous is radiation free. It's the Lumibright. It's the hour markers. And this thing lights up at night like you can't believe. Solid stainless steel, which I said, screw down crown, threaded. The band on this one, I ended up putting an orange NATO strap, which I love. As you can tell in a lot of my watches, I love NATO straps. They're comfortable, they're tough. Water resistance 200 meters, 660 feet, 200 ATM. It's a case size. It's a beefy watch, 47 millimeters and 15 millimeters thick. Not for the faint of heart. Weight is 120 grams, and I think this model was done in 2007. Well, there you have it. Great watch, great bourbon, great cocktail. This thing mixed up really good. You can kind of tell I liked it. This was really good, really good. So stick with that recipe, see what you can do. Make your own simple syrups. You're gonna elevate your cocktail game, you know, twofold. It's just gonna be twice as good as anything you had. So just keep at it. Other than that, thanks for watching Weetzer's Whiskey and Watches. This was a great review about this rabbit hole. I've been dying to review this for a while. I've had it for a while, so kind of hard to find out here on the West Coast. So might have to order it, or if you see it, don't pass it up, especially if it goes on sale. Don't pass it up. So thanks for watching, everybody. Like and subscribe. We got many more on the way, so appreciate y'all watching.